guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a review video about the Good Vibe product I have started using since a month. I won't say recently because I have been using it for a month and this is not a sponsored video, so you can definitely expect honest reviews over here. Now, if you're new to this channel, then I'll be really happy if you please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Also, you can hit the bell icon in order to receive further notifications from my channel. So, the product which I'm going to be talking about is the Good Vibes Neem and Tulsi Gel. Now, ever since Good Vibes Gel come out, I was really, receiving very much notification and suggestions mostly. You get those product suggestions on the websites when you go. From the websites, you actually visit so much. So, yeah, that happens with me as well. I receive a lot of product suggestions from Nykaa and all. Like, it pops up on my skin, on my screen. Yeah, so the Good Vibes Gel were really hyped at that point of time, and this is not the only variant they have got. They have launched, I think, a lot of more. They have pomegranate, they have watermelon, they have mango, they have papaya, honey, aloe vera. Actually, there are a lot of variants. Like I have just got one neem and tulsi one. So yeah, coming back to the price, this retails for 215 rupees, and also you can. Okay, so talking about the pricing, you can only get Good Vibe products only at purple.com. You cannot get it at Nykaa or anywhere else. You can only get it at purple.com. So this retails for 215 rupees, and usually there are always a sale going on or something like that, an offer going on in Purple. So I got it probably 189 or 190, something like that. So near about 200, yeah. So and this product is 100 grams. So I think the packaging is really nice. Like even if you're traveling, it has another cover over here and then the main cap one. So I think it's quite travel friendly. The packaging is really nice. It won't spill out and something like that because it is a gel texture. So it is kind of lightly dense. So yeah, I think the packaging is really good, and the for a net quantity like 100 grams, rupees 190 or 200, it's quite reasonable because Good Vibes, to be honest, till now Good Vibes is the one of those few brands that I have seen who has launched a really good quality products and within reasonable price. So yeah, for that reason I would definitely recommend this brand, actually not this product, because the product depends from person to person and from skin to skin. So yeah, coming back to the review, what this particular gel claimed that it promotes your hair growth, because this gel is both for skin and hair. So they say that it promotes hair growth, it unclogs your pores and it clears up your acne. Now, I've been using this gel for a month now, so I won't say that I've been using recently for merely 2-3 days or a week, that I'm saying whatever comes to my mind. No, I've used it for a month. So, to be honest, I have applied it on my hair probably twice. I didn't see any kind of new hair growth or something like that. Not hair fall as well. So regarding the promoting hair growth tag, I do not think that it has done so well for me, at least, because neither did I have any hair fall nor did I have any new hair growth. So in case of hair growth, I really don't know what they're talking about. Clearing acne, I would say that I didn't have any further breakouts, because you know that this contains neem and tulsi. So both of them, neem and tulsi, has factors which can help you prevent your acne. So definitely I did not break out. It actually helped me a lot in no, I would not say that clearing my acne, but definitely reducing them, because I did not have any breakout since any new breakout, to be honest, since the past 1 month since I've been using it. But not clearing up totally, but still, yeah, it's like 70-30. It does somehow. And regarding the unclogging the pores thing, definitely it does a lot of things, because personally I do have a very few clogged pores. I do not have that much, but definitely it helped me reduce those. Reduce kya matlab, it was completely gone only. So in that case, I think what it claims, it somehow does it work up till 80%, I will say. I think it's gonna work really well on dry skin types because just because it feels a little tacky. For me, being owning a combination skin, I think it's gonna work really well on dry skin type of people because they have like I'm talking about my mom. I have been using it and I have given it to my mom also. So she has extremely dry skin and she has used it. This has worked wonder for her. So I would definitely recommend it for dry skin type of people. Okay, so coming back to the smelling factor, because when I was buying it, I was a little bit, scared that because it contains neem and tulsi. For tulsi, I wasn't scared at all because tulsi has a really nice sweet fragrance, but not sweet actually. Whatever. So yeah, tulsi has a nice fragrance, but I was really scared about what it's gonna smell like because of the neem, because I do not like the smell of neem. Neem has a pungent smell, so I was actually scared because whether it will be containing a pungent smell or not. But believe me guys, it has such an amazing smell. When you apply it on your face, you can feel the smell and it feels so soothing. I mean, I'm so much thankful for Good Vibes, at least for one reason to for sure, that it has such a beautiful smell. Like the smell says it all. So I think I would rate this product a 3.5 out of 5 because leaving out the cons, I think this has definitely done some good to my skin. My skin feels really good now. Also, like except for the fact being it a little bit tacky on skin, otherwise it's really nice. The texture is nice, the smell is nice, the packaging is nice, the price is reasonable. So yeah, what else do we need? So you guys can definitely go for it, and this is not at all a sponsored video, so you guys can always expect honest reviews from my channel. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below, and also you can share it to your friends or family or whomsoever you think it might be helpful to. And that's it for this video guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. I love you all.